Hello guys, so today we're going to have a flat tour. So this is our main door. Over there is the kitchen, bathroom, and the toilet, and me. And beside is this, our room. And right beside our bedroom is the living room with a very nice view, but somehow the mountains right now can't be seen because it's a bit foggy. And over there's this Mount Givant. Also, it has a balcony here, but actually we're not really using it this time because it's really cold outside. We just prefer it to be closed all the time. See, this is the view from here, and this is convertible into bed. And excuse for the mess because one of our friends is using this as his bedroom last night, and then they went early today for skiing and ski touring, so that's why it's kind of like this, and I am still about to clean. And what's nice also here is we have an old radio and it's still working. Really nice, right? And ukulele. This is my boyfriend's ukulele. Oh, and this is our pillow that we bought from France in Chamonix as a souvenir. Oh, and one more thing. There's also another beautiful view from the kitchen area or the dining area. See this one? Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at that. And over there, which is also really nice because probably 1 minute or less than 2 minutes walk, you can find a store, like grocery shop, and almost everything is there. So which is the reason also why we chose this place, because it's closer to the shop and it's closer to those mountains or the Tatry National Park here in Poland. Also, it has a free parking area if you have cars with you, so you don't have to worry about where to park your car, especially here in Zakopane. Sometimes the free parking areas easily get full. So here there's a free space here for you to park your car. And you can either park your car over there, but sometimes this parking easily gets crowded and full. So we usually park our car in the other side, which is in this Mount Givant side view. Here, over there. So that's the parking area. See, there's so much space there. So that's where we usually park our car. And then you're just gonna walk there, here, and there. So yeah, this is really nice place. I definitely recommend this to people who wants to find a place here in Zakopane for like longer or short term. This is the sink area, then the cooking area. And I love this place because of all the Airbnbs that we've been so far. This has the complete kitchen utensils, which I really like. And this one here, this is where we usually eat, or sometimes over there in the living room, our stuffs, because so much stuffs here and inside this drawer, so I can't really arrange them inside, so I'll just put them here. And our bread, if you're in Poland or in Europe, bread is life. And my rice cooker over there, of course, even if I'm here in Poland, and Filipinos, so I need to eat rice. Well, actually, I still have rice. And this is my boyfriend's favorite snack, the dried mangoes, and mine, the almond rice. This is how big or small the rice here in the Philippines. It's like one sack of rice, like 25 kilograms. Over there, our plates, glasses, and more here too. See? Oops. Yeah. So our fruits, our cookies, my vitamins, and how beautiful pictures of those mountains. And then this is the cabinet here for, you know, other stuff. See our, not so messy. So there. And our bathroom and toilet. So yeah, here. And whenever we are in an Airbnb and there's washing machine, I always love it. Like this place, it's like love times 2. This is my get up here because, you know, winter, even if it's inside the house, it's cold. But you know, because I'm a Filipino, so I also have this. Oh, this is also another gift from my boyfriend's sister. They're actually so sweet of me. I really love them. And this is the socks also. It's very cute. I should have not included this one because for today I'm just going to have a room tour, a flat tour, right? This place or this flat is just located around Koshilishko. I don't know. I don't know how to make sure there's this, you know, very difficult pronunciation that I have to learn here in Poland. Very different in English and in, you know, especially Visaya or Tagalog. So yeah, but it's around that place. Now I can see the gibbon. That's the gibbon. So now it's not foggy anymore. That's why there you can see more of the view here. And currently it's 4:33 p.m. So this is how it looks like. It's really nice.